You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And as usual, I don't know, say me, a family, me say. You know what I mean? So welcome to the Public Report official family here on YouTube. For all those just checking in, thank you. Welcome on board. You know what I mean? And I highly appreciate your presence. You know what I mean? And I'm a person, I'm going to check up on everything. I'm going to say, check up on me and say, I want you to tell me what I go on, how me I go on with, because I'm a work in progress, as I always say. To my old timers, my God. Oh no, trust me. Respect our manners to the fullest, you know what I mean? And highly appreciate everybody. But trust me, the ones that are there from day one who are, know the journey. Me I choke me now, you know what I mean? But know the journey and know the I'm not gonna say struggles, because struggles are one word. I don't like these word, you know what I mean? Yeah. See the path where I come from and where we're there right now. And we have to give thanks to the Almighty. You know what I mean? So there, we got Richard Brown just the same way. Alright. So this one is called I Was Only Trying to Help, episode 2. You see how fast me I drop that one on phone now? You know what I mean? For all them people who I say, if public drop episode 1, them now goes episode 2. What I say now? Work in progress. You know what I mean? So yeah man, big up on yourself. And guess what now? I got the feelings that a lot of people have ideas, you know what I mean? I want to, what I want to put them on the screen. If you have the ideas, want to put them on the screen, I want to invest in one production, link up, man. Link up, you know what I mean? I'm going to put a number right here, so we can see it. Link up and we can talk and we can discuss what we want. Create a budget. You know what I mean? Yeah. We'll make it work. So yeah, man, me chat too much. I want to watch a movie. So this is called I Was Only Trying to Help. Episode 2. Watch it.
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Cause all that's left is just a little part. She's begging me, please don't take my hand. If it's gonna end up in a one-night stand, just be truthful to me. All I need is just your honesty. Just be truthful to me. Is it love that you see in me? Mama used to tell me love was something like a secret. Don't tell it to no one if you know that you can't keep it. It should be fun, but only with special one. No, she's begging me, don't break my heart. Cause all that's left is just a little part. She's begging me, don't take my hand. If it's gonna end up in a one-night stand, just be truthful to me. Cause all I need is just your honesty. Just be truthful to me. Is it love that you see in me? Is it love? Is it love, baby? It's all that's been missing. That's just all that's missing. No.
Hello?
That's all she needs. She's begging me, please.
No, I'm good. You're good? No. I just because when I hear fire from yesterday. Yeah, because they say leave your charger at work. And you can't go charge your phone until I go back at work. So I just kind of feel, Yeah. Yeah, I miss it too. Yeah, the fan break. Yeah. Um. Yeah, me I save the money and everything. When I come back, you will like go there in the account. Remember me tell you? No, not do me alright. Why you continue to ask me what do me? I'm okay. No. I'm not go on the road for a morning. I just oh, I miss you too. I can't wait to see you. You know, some cook your favorite meal though. Yeah, come there feel lonely. Alright, later I'm go send her something. That will make you feel a little better. Fine. Alright. Later. Love you too. Bye.
Marika!
Now come!
How she take so long for?
Yeah.
I feel like what she doing this one. Girl, I see somebody run me down. You take so long for you open the door.
No, I'm in the bathroom.
The bathroom I did there? Mind tell me say a lie, I tell. What on?
So when I come out to your house in a bed slippers.
Classmate, this is stress. You're lucky you see me in her clothes. I told me drop asleep in my good dress because I'm tired. But me couldn't find no shoes. The whole of my slippers them pop out. And my shoes them then too tight. I buy it smaller than the size so then couldn't go up on my foot. Where my bed slippers? It hurt you?
No, sir.
Oh. How far money this? A dirty Ruben, you figure drag sitting from and on me.
So we're coming outside with the bed slippers for?
Yeah, your right name? Bed slippers. That means if you wear in a house. Eh? Anyway, better not tell me when I come out.
Where you come, boy? You want borrow
I
money?
don't laugh a serious thing about borrow money. You have money?
Wow.
Big signal going out the road. It's stinker road. I don't know how you know hear. Me hear, everybody hear. And worst of all, me see it with my 2 eyes. So I know it's true.
Oh, wow. Talk to me.
Ruben gets stabbed up. Somebody stab Ruben. It look like I said Ruben go broke people supermarket or some business place and then catch him and stab him up. Master, I don't know if I security do him so. Or a when go broke
So
fight.
business place in Rob?
Me no know, I just me the guess. I did not say that he do.
Oh.
But you know say a man them and I don't know if him a work and when hungry bite him then we want to go do things and things happen to
but
them.
Ruben have money, why would I want to go rob?
You never hear me just say. And me just assume. Me not judge him, me not say it. Me just wonder what.
So he dead?
If Ruben did dead, mother tell us saying dead. Me see Ruben a walk on the road with his hand. Burn up. And the blood a come through the sitting. Look like I said them the doctor they don't dress good or a nurse. Me don't know what happened. But the band look like it want change. And it look like a fresh stab. And when could I do something that there's somebody they stab him so oh God man that there's somebody they wicked and wicked. You see I just took let me tell you. You see Ruben? Me not hate him you know. But me no want him. Me not too like him like fit David. Me just like him like a friend. But you see, if I were ever just my cousin,
So only honey get stabbed pan.
me don't know at which part me see the blood and the wrap up, ban up, sitting me they tell you about. Maybe he get stabbed elsewhere, me don't know. Maybe elsewhere stab up on him and him hide the kind of thing when want me to see it, can take him next and cover up stuff. So me don't know what happened. Me see him all hold him back and somewhere else pan him. Maybe he get stabbed elsewhere, I don't know. Cause me they ask him and he they act like I say. He no want tell me. No, he no want tell me. So that's why my mind I wonder if as people play thing go broke and then stab him up. Cause you see, them people nowadays they don't want to work, you know. They watch people until they work and then they go rob them and want to lick them down, kill them to them too wicked. Then if you work, although me not judge him, me never say that thing. So no, but I got tell them anyone I friend them or if you see Ruben, you tell him say, Candy say whatever.
Ruben and a friend.
What do you mean?
We not talk again.
I wonder if you know which Ruben me they talk. Are the same Ruben where you say yourself front, you know. Me they talk about you know.
This again.
Are the same Ruben
Remember
where
say my house in and now, you know. So neighbor can hear what you say and go back go tell me man, you know. Relax, man.
That's why me I talk so loud, cause your house. Yeah.
I have no right to talk so loud in my house.
Then I offer throat. I hear throaty words them a come out of?
Listen, I know my throat, but I'm my house.
I hear
So
house.
me can tell her what to do and what not to do.
How come you pay license for my tongue?
Hello.
So you have to tell me when to speak and when to what?
No, me not tell her when
and what to say and where to say it and how to say it.
No, me just tell her
Hell
to
no,
take
me
time
love.
and talk. Then
Hell no, I talk when I want to talk, as loud as I want to talk, because I sold a battery, I sold a radio, I sold a speaker, so and I get paid to talk. You can't tell me when to talk. You do too much foolishness. No, me come and tell you about your
me don't want
so-called man or your
Ruben.
ex-man or whatever. Cause no, me no know. Anyway, I just start up Ruben. You, some man are there with some salt girl, and they can cross this one and other girl. Cause you and Ruben friend there, and you gonna go there with Ruben. Remember me did tell you for a long time. No see there.
You know, so you're not a good friend.
Me a good friend.
No,
me
you're
know
not
Ruben
good
and he
friend.
never get no stab yet. Right now he must get stabbed elsewhere and me. The fees here and
So you want to say my fault?
I don't know. But you and Ruben go there and see the boy starting a problem all over the place. You know, business we don't still cause you start both for me and come tell me about Ruben have money. Yes, me know say have money, but me not frightened feet and me no want none. Me like work for what me want. Cause me not make no man style me.
I'm work for money when me want.
That the kind of work the way you put on. Me no want join you. Me and your friend, but we not go do the same job. You that look here, you see for me front, me not run no joke with it. No front joke me no depend. No joke me not run with for me front because you see where you going in the world, you know. You see a Ruben, who to telephone all one girl stab him. Me I think say all broke place. Cause guess what? Ruben a gigolo. Ruben no, love enough girl and trick them and tell them how he love them and he will give them this and that just to get underneath them clothes. And as soon as he get underneath, they say go tell him race a friend them. So who to tell if I want cross his girl in take up, we just give one nah look stab. Me no know, me just say sitting car. Anything possible.
Me have something to do.
You have something to do, run me from your yard. You feel some idiot.
No, my boyfriend is
but you know, say even though me not like Ruben style, me glad say no dead door. But me feel say he need to go back a doctor. Me feel say he need cause Ruben.
You're lucky.
You lucky? Yeah, for sure. Because
I'm
me glad they not unalive him, I swear. Because as somebody pick me still, I know. But me just could never do with Ruben. Me not tell no lie. Into gigolo-ish.
Alright, don't know.
And you, me expect better from you too. Me never, Marika, God no, me not tell no lie. Me ne know say you doesn't go there with your man friend. Me ne know. If your man ever hear Jesus Christ, he come from in there. And me attack Lord.
You know, so you want a wicked piece of girl.
He no come.
Suppose the man did in a room.
Oh, in there. Me can't talk loud then.
Information when did forget.
Yeah, idiot. So you that really, you know how me
suppose
scary.
camera did in my house. And the man overseas I watch and listen to the camera. You that's
so if camera in the house to go along me and friend more than know, more than take time.
No, don't tell her that.
Why you wouldn't tell me?
Come on, know if you're a thief.
You see it? The two with this one another, so it's quick. Boss it. Your jacket. Me tell you
you are jacket.
Anyway. I can't run you now. I just tell me I can't tell about Ruben.
No,
so you can go look for him.
No.
Oh God, man, and you tell
And
me
I
when you used to
never
give
go look for Ruben.
girl and a little bit of money, you tell me so that the man they give you, you know? The last time you talk about Ruben, you know, you tell me you give us 700 US, you know?
And
Oh God, man. I sitting doing man and you now go look that me you never love him my money. You did want is a wicked girl.
but me not love Ruben, you know that.
All you?
Me all do it for the money. Hello? Pinky? Yeah, which part of the? Girl, I want to talk to you. Emergency. I want somebody to talk to. Alright, which part you there? Where you there? Alright, no move. Me I come. Me I come talk to you. Alright, no problem. Yes, yeah. Yeah, me so. Yeah, me I come for through, man. Yeah, later. Oh boy. It's getting harder.
Jesus say yes, nobody
Yes, sit
can.
down.
Yes, my love. Wagwan.
Me there. What happened?
Yeah, I'm just there. Take a little cool breeze. I know.
So Pinky, you know hear what going with Ruben.
What you going to do, Ben?
You know your son get stabbed up.
What you say? No, sir. Ruben gets stabbed up. He come like say sick. What kind of message you say I carry to me? What you mean by Ruben gets stabbed up? So hold on there. He dead?
No, he not dead.
Because if they stab Ruben, we kill him, you know. Me nah go get me monthly money. What me supposed to get? So me want to know who stab Ruben. Because right now me sick. And me chip in my head right now. Who stab Ruben? Who would have stabbed Ruben? What Ruben I do if somebody stab him?
What you ask me, say?
Why them a try to kill off a Ruben? To stop my money a monthly time.
You can ask me
So
that.
I suffer, they want me to suffer. Wait, no, who stab Ruben? I don't hear who stab Ruben.
No.
Because right now me sick in a dark right now. Anybody stab Ruben, nah go like it. So me want to know who stab. So hold on there. Oh, you look so guilty. How want me?
Yeah, what you talk about me look guilty?
Cause yeah, me see you scratch your head and sit in a hour.
No, me a sketch me become ear one wash.
Yo. You don't hear nothing at all of who stab Ruben.
No, sir.
So Ruben they know.
Me no know where Ruben them ya. Me no see him friend him get stabbed.
No sir, no sir. Me have to go find out where Ruben there. Me have to go check Ruben. Cause this thing nah go so.
And what happened?
No worry about that. Right now, me sick in my head. Me not answer no call from nobody right now. So again.
Hey, you see Candy? Me can't bother for Candy always a come up on my yard.
Hey, let me tell you something. You see that look dirty big woman there. Let me tell you something about him. You know like the girl there now. Cause right now, if me and see Candy right now, me just texting her from the room and knock out him bombard.
Me not understand what go on there, so why you would want to do that?
Me
to
not
Candy?
like Candy because guess what? You see, when him and Ruben used to chat, or then bust one little piece, he always a stop me food.
Me did hear something about that say Ruben did a look her or something like that. But that's not my business still, cause I'm in a business with Candy and Ruben.
Yo, that's not your business, you know. But for a longer time there, me want spot her. Me say me want spot her out.
Just left that
The
aside,
little witch
man.
them want spot her out long time because me no know, me no understand why she want come stop me food. Eh? And guess what too? You know them time she come and come talk. Up to today day now she a talk about me want Ruben. What me a do with my brother-in-law? And even after life now, my man dead and gone. me still would look on him. You think me nasty? You think me careless? Eh? She feel like somebody want Ruben. No, she
Hello.
not feeling no. She has said me and Ruben there.
Listen. Make it rest, listen. Make it rest.
Yeah, make it rest because guess
I
what
say
now?
Ruben, I want to look a dirty man too, you know. Because me feel like you see him wanting to come out of my man life too, you know. Because me feel like him did a stop a ring for me, you know. Ruben who yesterday. Him did stop a ring for me. But guess what? Me not talking about Ruben and Candy right now.
Yeah, talk about him and stop fearing. And me a talk about money and now. Cause you see when it come on to money, me not no sense, you know. You see, anybody stab Ruben, may the Lord go with them because he come like so they don't know who me be. No, they don't know who me be. Let me tell you something, you know. You see, if
So
Ruben survived the stab there, and me and him hold one conversation and he tell me who stab him, remember me tell you say he not go nice. He not go nice at all because if he indeed dead, me not get no more money to bombard. No man, them people are them. No. You know
so
what?
money make you go and so.
Go on your yard. Go on your yard because
So you run me now?
Yo, you see,
Oh, so you put Ruben over
brother,
me?
you see the heater with the pomade right now. The best thing you do is go on. Come out of my yard, go on.
No, miss you.
Come out of me no business. Me no care.
Friend me ever pick up man.
You're lucky. You no money. You need money. And just go on where you go, yeah, man. You feel like I cross is to where you stack the money to you know. Oh, come back.
Yeah.
Oh.
More like a company for my doctor.
So me if you follow you go doctor.
Yeah.
So make me if you follow you go doctor. I mean stab you.
I know you stabbing, but yeah, my woman, we are talking about.
What you mean by you help me with nothing in the house? And all the time and me. Me if you follow you go doctor.
Babe, I am a woman. I have to stand by me.
You not go find somebody will stab you.
But me not talk about that. Me talk about support, babe.
Support you, they support me, you they help me do nothing in the house.
But
Every time you come, you're gone. You come, you're gone. So me if you follow you go doctor.
I can't believe that. You know everything good.
You enjoy for you, do you hear?
What's up? This is why I'm here for the road. Oh gosh. Go back to say. Yo, I'm call her. Come in.
Are you
girl,
yesterday?
what go on?
Are you yesterday? Stab your left, right, center.
Come here. I don't feel time yet, you know. I don't feel time to collect your money, you know.
No, no money me combo. I stab where you get me combo.
Are you what go on? Just an accident. I'm glad to be alive. You understand? Because based on what go on, you know, it could have been worse. Because the person who stab off of me, good things to them don't really know what them do. So they stab up the whole of the car.
So you know who?
You know, some kind of, you know, one state of mind where me never pay attention. So by the time I get the first one, it's like me say to myself, say, me, you know, I don't know if I'm man or woman. You understand? I don't know who. I can't tell you who.
Anyways, Me glad say alright because if they did analyze you, money would have stopped come to me.
You see me, it's like me, I wonder to myself, I say, for my sister-in-law, I care about me in a such a way if you come check me. Right now, half
No, me care about you. Hey, let me tell you something, you know. Let me tell you something. Actually, I didn't even know how me go on and me here see you get it stabbed.
Well, good for know
Me
that
get
still.
done so.
Eh?
When me here see you get it stabbed, me want to know who do it. And right now, to your lucky say you tell me say you don't even know who, because you don't know my thing already, you know.
Yeah, man. As I say, right now, I'm glad to be
Oh.
alive and I kind of, you know, find peace. I find peace because I could have went
Sure.
gone.
Phone all a ring too.
Eh?
Oh, yeah, that good man, my phone there ring.
All right, here we are going. Come here, something have to go, you know.
Alright.
So if push comes to yeah, man, good I know, man. You know, like, I'm tell you, you
Yeah,
have to
man.
bandage up and same thing too.
Alright.
So go on your thing. When I feel time, I feel time. Yeah?
Alright. Just go on.
And thanks for the visit.
I remember me tell you, remember who tell me. Here. Yeah?
Yeah, man, me the rest, man. Big up yourself. Yeah?
Ah.
Money, she come find. Straight money. Jesus Christ. What can go, so?
O'Neil. O'Neil.
Mind tell me to not call for a girl, you know. Like, my mind tell me to not call for a girl. You know, I'm not play no enemy with nobody. I'm not play no enemy. Hi. Hi, Pinky.
That you man don't call to me. Me your friend? Me say if me your friend. You know some got a doctor yesterday. And the doctor said me lack of sense. So me just want you to know say me no have no sense. What you call to me for? After you try stop me food, you have it hard to come chat to me. Woman, sing your way and go on about your business. And don't make a mistake again and call to me. Cause me no like you.
O'Neil, how much you want for an onion?
O'Neil, let me get me two Irish them.
I know me I talk to just a while. I know me I talk to.
Are you me I talk to? Me say don't. Yo.
Oi.
O'Neil,
I
me
know
say the
me I
Irish
talk to.
and knock her out in a man.
I mean I talk to? Could never me I talk to. Me notice that when you come in a my friend life and I go on like say you're not a friend, you want to come see me a road and tell me, but a lie I tell. And that me I tell you. So
Me I
when you
talk to?
talk to me, you better know how to talk up to.
Are you fi know yourself?
Know how to talk up to
yourself.
me. You hear what me I tell
Know
you?
yourself. When you come and contact me from me your friend?
So me can say hi.
No, me ask you say me.
You have somebody have a friend
man.
you
Me
can say hi.
your friend. Where you talk to me for?
You know say
Eh?
you know say what you just say. It makes sense. You know no sense.
It make right.
Because
Me tell you say
it's
doctor
me
say
and
me
you.
lack of sense.
Me never know.
Me
say
no have
somebody
no
a friend
sense.
before me can say hi to them. You know can call to people.
Let me tell you something, lady. Just go on your ways and leave me alone.
I know nothing
Leave me alone.
Hello, one for
Me
the
no have
onion.
nothing for give you. Me no have nothing for give you. So you could come beg me nothing. And you come and come raise your mouth like me afraid. You think me afraid of you? Me not afraid of you.
either. You
All
know
if you're bigger than me.
Me
I'm me
want
little and
Marika
maga.
about
So
you.
me not.
Look here. Me say me a go on Marika
Go
about
on
you.
to
Cause you go
Marika.
on like I see you want come
Alright,
jump
go
in
on
my
to
chest, you know.
Marika. Go
And that
on
me
to
a tell you, you
Marika.
know. And I
Go
last
on
one
to
in this
Marika.
lady. Cause come like I say you know
Go
who you
on to
play with.
Marika. Go on to Marika.
O'Neil, send me pound of onion.
You don't know who you chat to.
Cause you
Go
go
on
like
to
I me know
Marika.
say you saw for you either. Cause the way you go on like I say both of you and the vegetable them for you.
Everything you saw for me.
Look here.
Everything. Right now. Come to the. Just. You see, the devil.
Me can't know when you come and people start and a
The devil
beg.
is a liar. The
Me
devil
know
is
say I
a
come
liar.
and come and beg. Hello, one pound of onion. Can me not even want to walk past this sucker. If
Watch
you
out.
ever make her saliva,
Watch
take
out.
me out here.
Kuya, watch out with your
Onion,
little
carry
$1,000.
onion phone, give me.
How you go to the little $1,000
Don't
for?
worry yourself about this. This value more than the jazz you have on. Girl, you can't talk to me. Not even know what you talk. Beg for me onion, please.
You see the jars that me have on? Can buy everything where you have on. You
Victoria's Secret
outside that.
and nah, stand up.
Boy!
Wallis. Let me
You
check.
come back on top about me jars itch up in a so girl, a body cleaner.
How much onion?
How do you?
Okay.
Only how much for them ya? Cause me don't know how I'm to she. How much for them ya? 2. I can't 2. How are this? Drunk.
No worry yourself. I will buck you again. You see, to me no want mash up your face down here so girl. Me just hold it easy and
you can't mash up your face because
tell
me
about
say
me. Me a man
you
somebody
all
punch
a
up
onion vegetable them would have see a lot for you,
stick
girl.
in my head, girl. Me will
Me
done
say,
out here.
you all a onion vegetable them would have splash out in your face, girl. You bright and out
Attack,
there.
attack.
Eh? You bright to come kiss and salute me just how you.
You know what?
Onion, me didn't even want this ya.
The girl no have no money.
Go pick for this mal. Go. She not in the garden.
Could have pay for fear, you know. Dirty girl. Me could have pay for fear.
Hello? Hi. Yeah, me see your text. But what did I say? Ruben. Yeah, me hear about it. Me hear saying get stabbed. You tell her who do it? You know what? Well, that's none of my business still. No, okay. No, me not seeing friend get stabbed. So I'm talk to you? Oh. Oh, yeah, call him and I get him. Me understand. Probably not in a one good mood to talk to nobody. Ah, yeah. Me go differently. Me sit down outside and look out. No, me not cook it. You send me something tomorrow? Alright then. Yeah, be safe later. Have a wonderful day. Huh. Yeah.
Marika. I'm tired of see this one hot so till. What
I
going?
think you need to come back on me yard. How you reach here?
Girl, not say that, not say that. Me go forever come here, me and friend.
Where want?
Anyway, all you see me in a one good mood.
What do you?
Me come for one about dirty butterfoot pinky.
Yeah,
You know say me go down and serve. In the market today, say me I walk around and buy a little thing, you know? Come I want some veg to go cook. Pinky that Missy. She just appear up like one ghost. So when me see her, me act like me not acknowledge say me see her stand up over this, you know. Cause from me see her face, me say the expression on her face show me say me not fi call to her. So me not say no, cause me know she not like me from morning for some reason when me no know of. That's her business. I don't care. You know say the girls see me. And me go walk and go over there, even though my mind tell me say me need to call to her. Me go over there and say to her, say, what go and think you, alright? Don't call me name. No call me name. Me and no friend. Because you want to stop me food and one dip of sitting. Me I say, the way me shock. Me astonish. Me no have no clue what she talk about.
So why should I say that? You do her something?
Me not do her nothing, I swear to God. Me just stand, when she attack, if you ever see Venda, them how them a look on her.
Yeah.
The girl, they exaggerate herself. She just exalt so. And so she a go on like I say she has some bulldog conqueror. Look here. Let me tell you something. Marika, me your friend. You know Pinky as your type of friend, but she is not my friend, but me is not her enemy. And she want me to be her enemy for me no know as me tell her before. Let me tell her something want her. Because she don't even know who she a play with. She no know who she a play with. Tell her say, Candy, I know one nice somebody she Pinky come play with because my head no good. My head sick.
So
You see, the last time I go overseas, me did already tell us that I left my medication on the plane. And me never bring them to take them. So me don't want you trouble me if me not trouble her. So somebody fi just see you and call to you. All in my mind tell me if you not call to her. Me call to her. And you go turn on a court, I come cuss me like I say me in an argument for a long time. You have me up for something.
She explain what you do?
Explain what the girl have me up for something when me don't know about. She not tell me.
Alright,
me
me
no know what.
go find
No
out. Me
Marika,
get down to the bottom of my
Marika, me dey
situation.
tell you, God know me, I tell you, me I beg you, do in the name of Jesus, one Pinky. One her because me no want me and her have nothing. You hear me I tell you?
Yeah.
Me no want to of people in here, you know already, you know.
know.
But me and a friend and me tell you although you and Pinky are friend, any Pinky mess with you, you're not gonna like when me go do Pinky, you know. So tell her to leave me alone. Social distance between me and Pinky right now. Me not even call back to her again. She come like me little dog run her back when name Rex. All when you not give her, all when you not give Rex no bone, and he see then you mean you want. Ever the eggs up. All when you say, that is Pinky. Tell Pinky to leave me alone. I me never know say so she disgraceful and stay. The girl just a load out her mouth and a create excitement and a draw down crowd. Everybody see me and the second day away on her. Guess what? Me not answer she want to up on a cuss. Be excitement the girl the pan down there.
But she never tell me.
Say you not go tell you. You not go tell her that she sure say you no friend. It's like when we sit down and discuss certain things and you explain to me certain things and we tell you if you right or wrong. She not go do that. Because she's a hypocrite. Pinky a back and belly rat. Pinky is a two mouth. Pinky try twist up around her belly to her ears. Me can't stand the girl. Me never know say so she stay. And when me do she so. What me could have ever do her so make she hate me like that. I don't do this girl nothing. Me don't go know her and see you and her as friend. And that's why I tell her say, you know. Me and a friend, you know. I mean, I like keep a friend them where you keep in America. Because you see them friend, they go make me and you have sitting to, you know.
And you want Pinky alone, me have as friend. Where other friend they?
Me wonder if I hungry Pinky, they hungry. Because me just pass and say, you alright? And so the girl nearly swallow me like a he will swallow Jonah.
Nothing Pinky they hungry. Probably she have up your face something. You probably do something you don't know.
How me if you do something and me don't know? Even the little people them nowadays were born and then grow up so fast, know where they do wrong from right. And me big old great one, woman, do something wrong and me don't know.
I don't know.
Well, tell her if she come confront me and explain herself. And make me understand how I go down. Because if me do her something wrong and me know something wrong, me can tell her sorry. Me not too big or too old or too young to say I am sorry. Me can apologize to her whether she want to accept it or not. She can't come have me for something me don't know about and me just call to her and she want to jump down me throat. She what? And that me see, but tell her say the wrong tree this she try to climb up and cause the limb then we broke off with her. Me no joking. And me serious, you know. Right now me did out beg some water and the way me grieve. Me no bother want you water. Alright, water gonna for you too?
No water gone, girl.
If you know how long we are call water commission to come connect back a pipe and nobody in the community no hold no bill. Then now come down go say something wrong with the something.
The pipe.
We then call the hygiene or whatever sitting, you must see bus or sitting and then if you go do whatever the water down the road the waste while we up here so and little water and can't get it. Girl, the whole of me clothes them dirty. The whole of me clothes them.
You not live near river? You are the near river.
Rain no fall from how much amount now the river dry. All the river run dry. The whole of me clothes them dirty. Every clothes, the drawers them dirty, brassiere dirty, me pants, me tights, me dress, everybody dirty.
So we wear your clothes?
No, I don't mind them here.
How far?
And the girl next door, me borrow them from
Jesus Christ, come here.
I tell nobody, you know, so you did that too far from me. I did want to come down here to come borrow
water. No, and you will tell people because you're out loud, you come like a big truck them where
yes, me a tunnel.
So
but guess what? You know, say me don't care. Big truck it is tunnel. But guess what? You are my friend, and if you're in the clothes, me would have borrow your clothes. But you see, you live
no,
way down here, so don't
can't fit you. Your bottom too big.
No, not say that. Not say so, man. Guess what? Me gonna make a run now. Anyway,
Yeah, man.
when I say here about when you again, let me tell you say,
You love chat people too much. Come get your yard.
are Ruben in him?
Or the Ruben.
From the last time they see him and he did have sitting over in hand, me I wonder if he had better or Congo woman take
I
care
don't
of
know,
sitting
I
car.
see Ruben.
Ruben look big and nasty now. Ruben not even take care of his hand. When me see it, and him come tell me about Dr. Jesse or a nurse, whatever. And he look like I say he want clean. Ruben big and nasty. Ruben need to take care of his hand because he have money. And why am I do it? Say, no, me know say true. Ruben love by front. Ruben love too much girl and he look like he spend half it. Me not saying he have no money because I know say I did money boy. But he look like I say Ruben don't have the whole line money up on the beach road.
When you come and talk about Ruben now, me no want to talk about Ruben. I don't want to
no
talk
man,
about
sitting
Ruben.
wrong man. Sitting wrong. You know so when me there in the market, me hear somebody ball out and they say, how a pinky friend stab Ruben?
I know
Me
me
go
all
away
the
no but
friend
me not
Pinky
bother.
have.
Because me just remember some things in my brain. Eh?
I know me all the friend Pinky have. So what you feel say me? I know me no do
Me no know
nothing.
if I you me not feel say you suppose I you do it. What that go do to me? I know me yourself. You think you can ramp with me? You must be bright. The green types out that turn red or blue. You must be mad. Then let me ask you something, Marika. Marika, you not hear about it yet. And you not go look if you see Ruben. You a wicked girl you say I did your man. You born a man where you
Ruben,
keep.
I never me man.
But you did the day with him. You're too wicked
We
and
never
out
did, we
order.
just did that.
So your
we
man
not
where you
even
say
know
a
to-
carpenter where they are foreign and have visa. Him then they used to send money come give you. And you did the day with
He
Ruben.
still
same
a
way.
send money come give me.
And you did the day with Ruben. You're a dirty girl. You see what me tell you? That's why
When
you
you
want
come
pinky
on me
match.
yard, when you come on me yard,
You
me
want
mess with
pinky
me, me
match.
not like you
I wonder if I
candy.
use set up pinky if you can concuss me.
Candy, where you live? No, sir. Since lately, every minute you come on me yard. Me not like you stand. No.
Come here, man. Me not gonna harm you, man. Just come in, man.
You sure?
I mean, say me sure. Me want harm you a long time. I don't know where you live. I want to talk to you. Tell me, son. You know what you do was wrong, not true? Because I guess I know. I never say I force, you know. I pay for your services. You understand me? I say, I may just get overwhelmed and caught up in a whole situation. Me tell you this. You understand? Say something wrong me I do and this, a good thing say you don't know if it stab. Because the whole of my car seat stab up. I just one stab catch me and it just cut one thing I saw what make my hand can't really use properly right now. You have to go heal up. You have to know what you are doing, you know. What kind of thought this? You get paid for your services. And you really can't do me that. How if you do me that? Eh?
Because every time I tell her, say, no, you're still
Then no,
come back.
so where you come for then? You say no and you come with me. Every time. I me grab you and pull in your car? Eh?
No.
I me grab your hand and put him on your hand? Eh? How you go down? Who feel what? See me right now if you call police on you, but me not bother do it because you know what? Me know say it's my brethren gonna hear certain things. You mean I'm shame on me more than how you shame on you.
You feel so?
What you mean? Me I come from far. I say me, hey, I remember when he meet you, me my friend long time, you know. So you fresh to this team, yeah. You understand me I say?
Me never.
Far me and Barry I come from. So me know when you come go and like say I don't favoritism, I don't nothing at all.
Me.
What if me tell him this and say stab me? Plus your I didn't want to say that.
Plus my what?
You're doing things! You're doing things! So if one next man come,
so you want dirty man.
me or dirty man how?
Yeah, you want dirty man because I your best friend and I just know not a friend. And you come up here and bribing woman with money.
Sorry, woman ahead. You are chicken head? Eh? You are chicken?
Oh, so this me not
listen
me
about
collect your money.
me not business about that. You collect it. Me get them forget, but the last time me not get them forget, you know. So me need to get back that money there. Can me give the money and
Me not give you no money.
Listen to me. Just what? All right. You don't want a problem with me? Give me back my money.
Or else what?
You really want to know or else what?
Or else what? Me not give back no money.
Me either catch me.
You feel like you feel like you can use people girl pitney.
Somebody a chat me. All right.
No, every time listen to me. You feel like you can do what you want to do with people girl pitney and get away with scotch free?
When you going to my searching shop, how are you doing? You going to take out stuff and come out? Are you going to give me money and come out?
Me have to pay.
So hold on. So if Mr. Chin vex, say you come in with the things, so Mr. Chin never vex. I can't even talk it proper. When you give Mr. Chin money, in vex you give me money?
No.
You can come out within things without give me money?
No.
And if you give me...
So what you are trying to say? What are you trying to say?
Give me back my money.
No, you're not get back your money because me always at your service.
You never...
But me never at your service this time.
Alright, it's good.
And but the money is mine.
I'm going to tell Barry. Me, I got to tell you, you're too purpose. You're wrong and strong. I go tell Barry. If I don't tell, it's when Barry is
next. You see when me dey stab you, I wish me dey analyze.
Me know. And right now, you thought this, me feel like you do your things, but you know what me now do? Me now go do that to my brethren girl. Me don't do a lot of things already. This would have been worse.
That's why you should have just let it go, let go the money business.
Give me my money, but let go which money business. You're laughing, you're sweet, isn't it?
Can't take it.
That you really say? Can't take it?
Yes, can't take it.
True, me and hurt me. But I can't take it for true.
Take what?
Know yourself.
Why you did that can't take?
Me I can't take it. Alright.
You're a little pervert.
Oh, me feel be pervert and me pay for my goods. Go to the dictionary.
Me not go to the Listen. You're a dirty man. Come out of my house. Come here, can't believe say you do that look my friend Candy. Everybody, you not pass nothing on the road. Oh, you not look pinky. Must true your brother woman. That if you not have it in your intention to look your brother woman.
Let me tell you this, don't judge me.
Me if you not judge
when you don't know me a kind of situation, you don't understand me a kind of situation. Sometimes people tell a story but they don't tell the truth. The full story is the full story, which you don't even know that. That we pass for your pay grade. So listen, me I tell you this. Me I give you, or maybe you use some of my money already.
Me use all my money. All I the money done. Me not have no money, so I don't know how you go get it back.
You know me get it back?
No.
You know me? You know Ruben?
I don't need to know you.
You want to know Ruben?
I don't want to know Ruben.
You don't want to know Ruben?
No.
Okay, watch where I go on then. Have a wonderful evening.
Same to you.
Yes, ma'am.
And I hope you walk off my stage and drop down.
Yeah, man. Welcome. Back to you.
Wow. Hurry up and go on. Drop off our stairs. Process.
No there.
Alright.
How much money you come for?
No, sir. I don't want to come, but chewing get stabbed, me I can't check on him.
Oh, so you're saying get stabbed?
Yeah, that's why I'm there, because he get some stuff.
Boy, Ruben, I have no time for me from when as in coming, gone, in just in coming, eating, gone, in dash down all the clothes them in the house and me have to walk behind him like him a little picnic.
Ruben. So, you know who stab him?
America stab him.
Huh?
And I hear me say, America stab him in a right teeth. And I hear me.
Yeah. Oh, so America stab him.
Yes, America stab him.
Oh, so in good though.
In good man.
Yeah, alright, and everything.
Yeah, man, me just tell him say
Yeah,
stop.
alright. Oh no, chinny mini.
Oh, chinny mini. Come like in a year, say Ruben out. Ruben out. Ruben hardly there here. And me and the chinny mini.
Alright, just go and take care of baby here.
Alright.
So we link.
Alright.
Alright. Marka.
Oi.
Wagan.
There.
Good.
Yeah, I wish breeze blow you up a sign of the time and I
I understand. I'm in there now. I'm going easy. Try going.
What there?
Come for me a reason.
Alright then, come. Where you say I go now?
Alright. Me a friend though. Me have been through things. Me share my problem with you. You share your problem with me. Me know your struggle. You know my struggle. Right?
Yeah.
So, how you would have feel if somebody a try to stop your phone, your money flow?
When I feel away if somebody a try to stop that. Our problem.
You would have feel that way though.
Yeah.
When last you hear from Ruben?
Why you not ask me about my man with their friend? Why you always ask me about Ruben?
No, I don't know. Me just ask you when last you hear from him or see him. Alright then. One of the worst thing after when somebody a try very hard to stop my food.
Pinky, you come over here and you're talking of parables. Me not understand you. Go straight to the point. Why
Alright.
you go around the bush? What happened?
Alright. When I tell me say Ruben get stabbed, right? How long you know about this?
Me know about it same day when everybody know about it.
Alright. You see me now? Me is a straightforward person.
No,
You
Pinky,
know that
Pinky,
for a long time.
No, listen. You confuse me right now. Me not understand what go on.
Oh, me are confused. Hold
You
on.
confuse me.
Me I get to it.
Alright, get to the point.
I am getting to it.
Get to the point.
I am saying that for a longer time there, me am an outspoken person. Are you stop Ruben?
No, I wanna do that. I don't have no reason to stop him.
Are you stop Ruben? Marka, why you looking at my eye and I tell me lie? Say you not stop Ruben.
Why you... Alright, Pinky. You see time?
Girl.
No, you see time and night. You
Girl.
come in my yard and I come accuse me about me stab people.
Girl.
I don't understand.
You stab Ruben. No.
No, who tell us me stab Ruben?
Hold on there. Me and you go through so much. And you really I look for me and tell me say you not stab Ruben.
Me not stab him. Why your problem?
Why you do me this, girl?
What you mean?
Why you do me this?
What
Why
me do
you
to
stop me food? Why people like a uno stay so in a life, girl?
Oh, so
Why you so selfish?
Oh, so food you come over yourself to defend?
Why you stop my money, girl? And where you want me to suffer?
Girl, come
And where you want me to suffer?
Come go on home because I don't understand why you're the pants tonight.
Oh, so you don't care about my feelings?
Why you say that?
Idiot.
Oh, that pinky.
You don't care about my feelings?
You really come over yourself?
Oh, you're full of chats a while ago. Eh?
Pinky, me and your
You say,
friend,
oh, you're
girl.
full of chats a while
Girl,
ago.
me and your friend, you really come over yourself to kill me?
Friend, this is what friends for.
To subscribe is free.
Alright then, thank you, you've made it to the end. Alright then, thank you for the time that you spent. Hey, I miss it. Alright then, thank you, you've made it to the end. Yeah, I miss it. Alright then, thank you for the time that you spent. Yeah man, wanna make it to the end? Thank you again, you know what I mean? And if you don't watch it and don't like it, do the right thing, share it, you know what I mean? Spread it out, comment, let me know what I want. Because as them see up at top, you subscribe yet? And to subscribe is free, you know what I mean? So big up yourself and see you on the next project.
You subscribe yet?
Which one? Oh, the one of the pan you? Oh, the one of the pan me.
So you're going to start here now?
You're not going to feel nervous on me? Yeah.
Ready? Think you're not laughing, you're not laughing.
My reason why I laugh is when she said, money you come out, so I say,
Laugh again.
oh, laugh.
Yeah, like that.
Aye.
So you start, right? And action.
And then money me come out, man. Chewing get stabbed, me I can't check on him.
Oh, so you're saying get stabbed?
Yeah, that's why I'm there here, because he get some stuff.
Boy, Ruben, I have no time for me from when as in coming, gone, in just... In coming, eating, gone, in dash down all the clothes them in the house and me have to walk behind him like him a little pick me.
Ruben. So, you know who stab him?
America stab him.
Huh?
You know, hear good. The girl named America, she stab him in her ass.
But you're not going to you will live.
That work out, right? And action!
O'Neil! I'm too Irish there.
Mind tell me to not call for a girl, you know. God know me mind tell me to not call to that girl. You know me not play no enemy with nobody. Not play no enemy. Hi. Hi, Pinky.
Dirty woman, don't call to me.
Father, love it.
In this time, only Jah can cover you. In this time, only Jah can guide you. In this time only Jah can cover you. You are who you are, appreciate it. Don't be ungrateful trying to be somebody else. Don't forget your powers from deep within. The sources from your heart, that's where it all begins. Cause in this time only Jah can cover you. In this time only Jah can guide you. In this time only Jah can cover you. Don't you stress it, cause you know say Jah Jah cover you. Just strive for the best, cause Jah Jah guide you. Jah will never leave you by the roadside, it's up to you. We're stepping on this battlefield life has brought along. Ain't no pretty, no, ain't no pretty. Just keep fighting on, yeah. Jah alone is say, me now worry, cause me can pray. We face haters every day, but I don't care what they say. Why they say it. In this time only Jah can cover you. In this time only Jah can guide you. In this time only Jah can cover you. In this time only Jah can cover you. In this time only Jah can guide you. In this time only Jah can cover you. Don't you doubt yourself, just believe and you'll achieve. Don't you doubt yourself, just believe and you'll excel. From your heart, yeah. In this time only Jah can cover you. In this time only Jah can guide you. In this time only Jah can cover you. Time only Jah can cover you. In this time only Jah can guide you. In this time only Jah can cover you.